Microsoft launching a test version of Windows 8, and that we're going to talk with Shira about that as well. Windows always terrifies me when I hear they're going to upgrade. I want to hide from an upgrade, but apparently Windows 8 might be different. It's a bit more integrated. Tell us how, in what ways it's integrated.
Right. So Windows 8 is Microsoft's basically the biggest overhaul of their operating system, maybe since Windows 95, and basically what Microsoft is pitching is this is the first operating system that's redesigned from the ground up for the mobile and tablet era. So you're going to be able to see an operating system on a tablet computer and on your desktop, and it's going to look, seamless and similar. It's going to work just as well with your finger on a tablet computer as it is with a keyboard and mouse on your desktop. At least that's the promise.
And so this is going to, when they release this Windows 8, is this going to, combine, now you have Windows 7 and you have Windows Phone 7, and right. My understanding is that now there will just be one Windows 8 and that's it, or how is this going to roll out?
The interface is going to be very seamless. So Windows 7, which is Windows Phone 7, which is the operating system that Microsoft is using for its newest version of phones. They have these interfaces they call Metro style, which is if you have an Apple iPhone, it will be somewhat familiar to you. It has these tiles that allow you to access, web browser or apps or maps or anything else you might use. And that interface now is going to be in Windows 8. It's going to be in the Xbox. And the idea is Microsoft says you won't have to be, confused and unfamiliar. All of our Windows or Microsoft devices are going to have this kind of seamless experience. So you'll know exactly how to use it, whether you have a Windows Phone or an Xbox or a desktop computer running Windows 8.
So this is the ecosystem idea that Apple really got into.
Yeah,
I've got to say, though, that, Shira, that isn't it the case that Microsoft has sometimes failed when what their claims are, what they claim on the box is not what you get inside the box, if you know what I'm saying. I mean, you get the box home, it says it's going to do everything, you put it in or whatever, I guess it's not a box now, but it somehow falls short. Are they aware that they have that reputation, and are they doing everything they can to make sure that doesn't happen again?
Microsoft does know they have the reputation. They understand the stakes for them, that arguably Android and Apple have kind of gotten ahead of them, getting users used to this kind of seamless experience that Apple is pushing, right? The same kind of phone and desktop and that kind of thing. And Microsoft wants to have that same seamless experience for itself. It knows that there's some skepticism out there among consumers and developers, so it knows what the risks are.